if your microwave ever turns on by itself, and inside is a beating human heart, don't open the door until it stops, because what you're seeing isn't food. It's a warning. Rule 1. Never unplug the microwave. If you cut the power before it finishes, the heart will keep beating louder and louder until every beat matches your own heartbeat. And then it will replace it. Rule 2. Never touch the glass. If you press your hand against the door, the heart will copy your fingerprints. When the cycle ends, you won't have hands anymore. Rule 3. If the timer resets to 666, step back immediately. That number doesn't mean it's cooking the heart. It means it's cooking you. Rule for when the microwave finally dings. Look inside carefully. If the heart is gone, the meal has been served. And you are what's being eaten. Remember, if the microwave is running, it's not food inside. It's a trap.